As a digital student in the information age, you can use interactive ebooks to boost your performance. Yes, if you are like most students, then you need help. And Click and Learn will provide you with that help, one-on-one instruction, personalized instruction so you can boost your performance. Click and Learn, you learn more for less. The software is available on tablets, your PCs or laptops, or on your mobile device, whether it's a smartphone or whatever. You can call 647-1901 and use the power of technology to improve your grades in math, English, and information technology. With this course, you get one-on-one personalized instruction for students at grade school level with simulations of the grade 6 assessment examination and at CSEC level mathematics, English, and information technology. You learn through dynamic interactions and interactive quizzes to give you instant score and feedback. Learning methods. Many of the methods covered, let's contrast it with the traditional methods used in the schools today. You do a lot of rereading, highlighting, underlining, cramming, rewriting notes, reciting aloud. These are the traditional methods many students use to get to study, but they are ineffective. You need to use science-backed learning, science-based learning, using all your senses, knowing your preferred learning modes, using the technique of prior knowledge, linking what you already know to what you want to learn or what you want to know, using the technique of reflection, generating questions, active recall, organizing information, spaced practice, interleave practice, retrieval practice. In mathematics, you learn from worked examples in your textbook. In schools, they don't teach you how to learn from worked examples in your textbook. They just suggest to you that you go to your textbook and study the examples there. But with these science-backed techniques, you'll learn more effectively from worked examples in your textbook. You learn through visual displays such as the one you're watching now, and graphic organizers, mind maps, and concept maps. And you learn powerful memorization techniques like how to use mnemonics, loci, the journey method, and memory palace, and much, much more. You too can get top grades at your next exam.